everyone, Sydney and Annie here for Dietitian Talk, and today we're going to talk about our favorite high-protein breakfast.
Yeah, so my favorite high-protein breakfast is not your typical breakfast. I will like just to preface this, say, don't be afraid to have dinner for breakfast. You can think outside the box, you know, how people do breakfast for dinner.
Yeah, and that's the best time, yeah.
Exactly. So, yeah, my favorite high-protein breakfast is actually chili. I love to eat chili for breakfast. Sometimes I'll even scramble an egg and put it in chili. That might sound weird to some of you, but I promise I do not get hungry for the rest of the day when I do that. So so that's my favorite.
Yeah. And you can incorporate some veggies in there too to get knock out some easy veggies in that chili.
Yeah.
Mine, I tend to like breakfast foods for breakfast, but sometimes I'll eat some foods that aren't really breakfast labeled. But anyways, mine, I kind of make it ahead of time. I just take turkey breakfast sausage, scramble it all up, and then in the morning when I'm not wanting to cook and I know I got to eat breakfast, or if I'm running behind, I'll just put a little bit on my plate, maybe add some cheese and heat it up, maybe slice an avocado, a little bit of berries, and there you go, quick and easy and full of high protein.
Yeah,
so
exactly.
Yeah.
So those are our favorites. Please comment yours and let us know if you have any questions.
Thanks, guys.